YouTube, how's it going? John here with Harman Woodworks. Gonna do a woodworking video tonight, actually early morning. It's about 1 in the morning. That isn't gonna involve wood, or at least how we normally would. It's gonna involve my wood pellet burner. I have a Harman XXV, and a couple hours ago it decided to start making an electric smelly, stinky all around my house. Here's the problem, and we're going to go through how I took it out and how I'm going to put it back in. So this is the problem. I looked on the internet, could not find anybody who had done a video on the actual XXV, so thought that now would be a great time to do it. So let's get to it. So we're going to go about this all backwards. I've already taken it out because I wanted to make sure I was doing the right thing here before I made a video. These should spin very easily. These do not spin very easily. They are grinding. I tried cleaning it out. The bearings, whatever, it's just gone. So first thing we got to do is turn this around. The actual blower is attached to this cast piece with these 8 5/16 bolts. Now, before you go ripping them out, make note. I know this because I've already checked it. There are multiple holes. Take a Sharpie when you're taking them out. Note which ones, or make note of how high it sits, so that when it sits back in the pellet burner, that it's sitting high enough to make sure it's doing the right thing. So yep, I already got my 5/16 bit in. Okay, now that I took incredibly too long to do that, like I said, you'll see that I've already put Sharpies at the top mount where this goes. In my case, you can kind of see where the dirt line was, where that's going to actually, where that's going to sit flush there. If it's dirty, you can tell real easy. So yeah, this piece is actually going to come right out of the cast piece. When you go to the store, when you order one, you're not going to be getting this cast piece. You're just going to be getting the actual distribution blower motor piece itself here. So this one's a newer one. It's only got the 2 wires, a light blue and a dark blue. I guess on some of the older ones there has to be a wiring conversion kit. We will see when I get my new one, but that's going to be it for tonight. I have to go order the new one, and we'll get back to it tomorrow. Okay, this was the old motor. We're going to be taking the new motor. So the new motor, the new distribution motor, comes with this plate on it. We're going to have to take this off for the XXV model. We're going to take this off, and then we're going to mount it up to the cast iron and proceed to redo the wiring. Okay, so one thing you'll need off the old motor is the wires. You'll have to rip these off. You are going to have to cut these ends and put these clips on, because they're going to be post terminals on this one. And at least the model I got, it came with directions and it tells you which ones to hook it to. So you just put those clamps on, and then we're going to put it on the proper terminal stud on here. Okay, the old wires are put on the new distribution blower motor, and I haven't finished up tying these up. I'm going to wait till I get it in the old cast iron piece, but I'm going to get that set in there. And this one doesn't have the same assortment of holes, so it'll be a little more cut and dry where you put it in. So I'm going to get that mounted up, and then we'll take it upstairs and put it in the actual pellet burner. Okay, new distribution blower motor put back on the actual precast piece, and we're going to take this up and put it in the Harman XXV. Okay, Harman XXV, it's going to slide in from the right side of it. We're going to slide that in from there. Okay, it's going to slide in this spot. I'm going to slide in and across. So slide it across and go. First things first, I'm going to make sure I can get the wires attached. Make sure everything's long enough before I go hard mount the actual blower.
station.
And remember to turn it to test mode. Make sure you hooked everything up right. And motor, combustion, distribution. Hey, okay.